College students should live away from home rather than stay with their parents. Do you agree or disagree?
The debate over whether college students should live away from home or with their parents is a significant one, with proponents of both sides presenting compelling arguments. In my view, living away from home offers more advantages for students, fostering independence and personal growth. One of the primary benefits of living away from home is the opportunity for students to develop self-reliance. When students move out, they learn to manage their own finances, cook their meals, and handle various responsibilities that come with independent living. This experience not only cultivates essential life skills but also boosts their confidence, preparing them for future challenges in the workplace and beyond. Moreover, living away from home encourages social interaction and networking. College life often provides a unique environment for students to meet individuals from diverse backgrounds, fostering friendships that can last a lifetime. Engaging with peers in a shared living space promotes collaboration and teamwork, essential skills in today's interconnected world. On the other hand, some may argue that living at home can provide emotional support and financial savings. While these factors are valid, they can also limit a student's exposure to the challenges and experiences that come with independent living. In conclusion, although living at home has its advantages, I believe that the benefits of living away from home far outweigh the drawbacks. The independence gained from managing one's own life, coupled with the social opportunities available in a college setting, equips students with invaluable skills for their future endeavors.
Question: do you agree or disagree that college students should live away from home? The breakdown of the essay. Paragraph 1, Introduction. Key point: the debate over whether college students should live independently or with their parents is a significant one, with proponents' arguments on both sides. Narrator's positive view. The narrator believes that living away from home offers more advantages for students, promoting independence and personal growth. This sets the stage for the rest of the essay. Paragraph 2, Benefits of living away from home: self-reliance, independence. Key point: a primary benefit of independent living is the development of self-reliance. Examples: students learn to manage finances, cook, and handle responsibilities associated with independent living. Solution or outcome: this experience cultivates essential life skills and boosts confidence, preparing students for future challenges. Paragraph 3, Benefits of living away from home: social interaction. Key point: living away from home encourages social interaction and networking. Examples: college provides a unique environment to meet diverse individuals, fostering lasting friendships. Shared living spaces promote collaboration and teamwork. Solution or outcome: these are essential skills in today's interconnected world. Paragraph 4, Counterarguments: living at home. Key point: some argue that living at home offers emotional support and financial savings. Counterpoint: however, this can limit a student's exposure to the challenges and experiences of independent living. This paragraph presents the opposing viewpoint to create a balanced argument. Paragraph 5, Conclusion. Key point. While acknowledging the advantages of living at home, the narrator reiterates that the benefits of living away from home far outweigh the drawbacks. Solution or outcome. The independence and social opportunities gained equip students with invaluable skills for future endeavors. The narrator summarizes their main argument and restates their position. This writing structure can be applied with other similar topics, for instance, teenagers or college students' independence and personal growth. Question type: do you agree or disagree? Paragraph 1, Introduction. The debate over whether, in my view, offers more advantages or is beneficial for fostering independence and personal growth. Paragraph 2, Benefits of internal factors, for instance, self-reliance. One of the primary benefit of to develop self-reliance. For instance, this experience is not only cultivates essential life skills, but also boosts their confidence, preparing them for future challenges in the workplace and beyond. Paragraph 3, Benefits of external factors, for instance, social interaction. Moreover, encourages social interaction and networking. For example, promotes collaboration and teamwork, essential skills in today's interconnected world. Paragraph 4, Counterarguments. On the other hand, some may argue that, while these factors are valid, they can also limit a student's exposure to the challenges and experiences that come with. Paragraph 5, Conclusion. In conclusion, although has its advantages, I believe that the benefit of far outweigh the drawback. Equip students with invaluable skills for their future endeavors. Paraphrases. Living away from home. Independent living. College life. A shared living space. Foster friendship. Meet individuals from diverse background. Engage with peers in a shared living space.
Thank you for watching. Please give us like, share, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos. Bye.